Hi everyone. Today's topic is the Northern Plains. As we go further from the Himalayas, we come to the vast northern plains of India. They run parallel to the Himalayas from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj flow through the northern plains. These rivers are mainly fed by the melting snow in the Himalayas. They have water throughout the year. The rivers bring fine soil with them called silt or alluvium. This soil is very fertile. It makes the northern plains one of the most fertile regions of the world. The main rivers have several tributaries. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. The northern plains can be divided into three basins. They are: first one the Satluj basin in the west, second one the Ganga basin in the middle, third one the Brahmaputra basin in the east. The Satluj basin. The river Satluj and its tributaries flow through the southwest through Punjab. They join the Indus River in Pakistan. The Indus River finally flows into the Arabian Sea. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj basin. The Bakranangal Dam has been built on the Satluj River. It provides electricity and water for irrigation. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Satluj, provides water to many dry areas of Rajasthan. The Ganga basin. This is the most important river of the northern plains. The Ganga basin is spread across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. It is fed by several tributaries such as Alakananda, Mandakini and Bhagirathi before it enters the northern plains at Haridwar. As it flows slowly in the plains, it is joined by several tributaries like the Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gondi. After flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga enters West Bengal. Here it splits into many branches. The two main branches are Hooghly and Padma. The Hooghly flows through Kolkata and then into Bay of Bengal. The Padma enters Bangladesh. Here it joins the Jamuna, the main branches of Brahmaputra before entering the Bay of Bengal. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. It is called the Sundarbans. The Brahmaputra basin. This basin is a narrow strip in the state of Assam. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three great rivers of North India. It starts in Tibet where it is called Sangpur. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam into Bangladesh. Life in the northern plains. Punjab. Punjab is fed by the Satluj, Ravi and Beas rivers and is very fertile. Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. The famous Golden Temple is situated in the city of Amritsar. Other important cities in Punjab are Ludhiana and Jalandhar. Industries such as textiles, sports goods, hosiery and motor parts are well developed. The people speak Punjabi and Hindi. Guru Parv, Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali are the main festivals in Punjab. Bhangra and Gidda are the popular folk dances of Punjab. Haryana. Haryana is also situated in the Satluj basin. Gurgaon in Haryana has the largest car manufacturing plant in the country, the Maruti factory. People speak Hindi and Haryanvi. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. The offices of the President and Prime Minister of India and all central government offices are located in New Delhi. People from all states of India live in Delhi. All the major festivals of India are celebrated here. Hindi, English, Punjabi and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. There are many historical monuments in Delhi such as the Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, India Gate, Jantar Mantar and Lotus Temple. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a large and thickly populated state. Its capital is Lucknow. The land in Uttar Pradesh is very fertile. Leather, metal, and textiles are some of the major industries. The main languages spoken in Uttar Pradesh are Hindi and Urdu. Diwali, Holi, Dasara, Eid, and Christmas are the main festivals. Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra, and Kanpur are some important cities. The rivers Ganga and Yamuna meet at the Sangam in Allahabad. It is considered to be a holy place by the Hindus. Bihar. Bihar is towards the east of Uttar Pradesh. It is also situated in Ganga basin and is a thickly populated state. Its capital is Patna. The soil of Bihar is fertile, which makes it ideal for agriculture. Hindi, Urdu, and Maithili are the main languages of the state. Eid, Diwali, and Dasara are the main festivals celebrated in Bihar. Chhath is an important traditional festival. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are important historical cities in Bihar. Jharkhand. The capital of this new state is Ranchi. Jharkhand is very rich in mineral deposits such as coal, iron, copper, and aluminium ores. One of India's largest steel plant is located at Bokaro in Jharkhand. West Bengal. Kolkata is capital of the state. West Bengal has a long coastline. Fishing is an important occupation of the people. Jute, textile, and silk industries in the state are well developed. The people speak Bengali. Rasgulla and Sandesh are popular sweets in West Bengal. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. The people speak Assamese. Their main festival is Bihu. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam, the home of the one-horned rhinoceros, is very famous. Assam has huge deposits of petroleum. Tea plantation, refining of oil, sericulture, and handicrafts are important industries of Assam. Thank you.